Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sync photos with music beats in Tempo. Tempo is a powerful video editing app that automatically syncs your photos and videos to music beats, making your edits look professional without any complex skills. So first you need to open to this Tempo app on your phone here, and once you reach into this Tempo dashboard, you can simply find a lot of templates here. You can tap on this template each wise, or you can also go to your previous drafts here, or your work, simply slide in the draft, simply select one of the drafts, and Tempo will automatically place your photos on the timeline already aligned with the music beats. And this is what Tempo is special, it detects the beat for you. So after that you can also choose a music track on the bottom here, and you can select replace if you want to replace the music which has already added by the Tempo, and select use. And after selecting that, Tempo will automatically place your photos on the timeline already aligned with the music beats. And this is what makes Tempo special, it detects the beat for you. So you can simply slide it here if you want to sync your video in the music as well. And this instantly matches photos transition to the beat drops. Preview the video by tapping play, and once everything look good, you can select export or save in the top right, choose your video quality and wait for the render. Your beat synced photo video is now ready to post. And that's it, that's how you can sync photos with music beats in the Tempo app, fast and easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.